Hi guys, I'm Mr. Khor and I specialize in teaching SPM Biology. So today we are looking at SBP 2022, paper 1. All right. So question 1 here, guys. Question 1 is from Form 4 Chapter 1. Okay, Form 4 Chapter 1. So we are asking what is the biological waste? What is the biological waste using the method above? So the method above, guys, we pack in autoclave resistant biohazard plastic bags. We sterilize it, okay, then place into biohazard bin. So normally stuff like that would be something that is not sharp. Something that is not sharp. So it has to be category B. It has to be category B. So number 1, boy. Okay. Next, number 2, Form 4 Chapter 2. Form 4 Chapter 2. It's basically organelles and function. So organelles, they ask which is the correct function. Correct function, guys, ribosome is not to synthesize lipid, but to synthesize protein. Generate energy, mitochondria. Endoplasmic reticulum, transport substances to Golgi, yes. To be more specific, this is rough ER. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is the one that transports protein to the Golgi. Yeah, and cell wall, oh, they allow things. Okay, this one here, the last one, this is a little bit more to plasma membrane. So why plasma membrane? Because allow means like macam need permission like that, whether they allow or not. So jawapan lebih baik C. I think initially the schema also, if I'm not mistaken, they gave donkey, then the panel changed it to C for this question. Okay, question 3. Question 3 is from Bab 3, guys. Bab 3, 1Z. Okay, 1Z. Which of the following shows mango after putting in sugar solution? You must be able to identify that sugar is a hypertonic solution. When we put something in hypertonic solution, guys, luar hyper, dalam hypo. Cannot be both hypo, both hyper, no such thing. So outside hyper, inside hypo, water always move, hypo to hyper, therefore it shrinks. Okay, number 3C. Number 4, still chapter 3. Number 4 is still chapter 3. So because energy is needed, guys, one look I can see ATP, straight away I know it is active transport. Active transport. Active transport, so which is true about the diagram, guys, which is true about the diagram. Normally we would accept A lah, but let's check out the rest. Movement of substance do not follow, they are against. Menentang kecerunan, kepekatan, they are against the gradient. Process continue until dynamic equilibrium. This process continues until dynamic. No lah, there's no dynamic equilibrium. For active transport, there's no dynamic equilibrium. Simple diffusion, yeah. Diffusion, yes, but not active transport. Guys, they do not use channel protein. In fact, you can see from the diagram, they use carrier protein. Moving on, question 5. Moving on, question 5. So question 5, fatty acid only have single bond between carbon, meaning this is a saturated fat. Lemak tepu. Okay, something from chapter 4. Something from chapter 4. And saturated fat, they are normally solid at room temperature. So therefore, answer is donkey. Therefore, answer is donkey. Okay, because they do not have double bond between carbon atoms. Okay, number 5, donkey. Number 6, R is sucrase because enzyme. Sucrase break down sucrose. Sucrase break down sucrose in order to form glucose and fructose. So number 6, answer is donkey. Very easy question, huh? Okay, as for number 7, guys, still the same topic, but this is more to application of enzymes. As you all have learned, I mean, if you're trying this now, definitely you're a Form 5 student. So as you have learned in Form 4, detergent have enzymes. Guys, detergent have enzymes in order to clean the stain. Untuk membersihkan kotoran. Yeah. And with that, what changes can be done by 1S to remove the stain? Okay, so for number 7 here, increase the amount of detergent by 2 times. I do not know whether you have washed clothes before. Guys, I wash my own clothes now. I mean now, no choice. So, how much detergent you put, if it doesn't come off, means it doesn't come off. It's not the right detergent. Okay. Reduce the amount, lagi teruk. Use already cannot come out, use lesser some more. Use warm water because enzymes work best at 37, if you remember. So number 7 answer is C. Number 7 answer is C. And number 8 is from chapter 6. Guys, this is a cell cycle. Cell cycle, this is S phase. Sir, I don't understand why, okay? Because from here until here, this is called interphase. Interphase consists of G1S and G2, and during S phase, DNA is synthesized. So therefore, number 8. Yeah, number 8 answer is A. Okay, number 9, I always look at these 2 things when it comes to karyotype. So what's karyotype? They show you the entire range of chromosomes, meaning all the 46. But in this case, because here got extra 1, we know it's Down syndrome. We know this is Down syndrome. Okay, so something to do with non-disjunction. Sure one. Here, non-disjunction. Because the first one is always something that will lead to cancer, tumor. Okay, number 9 answer is boy. And number 10 from chapter 7, is just comparing aerobic and anaerobic. So you should get answer donkey. Guys, you should get answer donkey. Terbalik, opposite, okay? Opposite. Okay, chapter 11 from Form 4, chapter 8. From Form 4, chapter 8. So which of the following define, I would use the word explain, the adaptive characteristic of insect. Okay, the adaptive characteristic of insect. So the first one, insects, they do not have blood capillaries, guys. Oops. Insects, they do not have blood capillaries. The surface is not dry because at the end of the, guys, at the end of the tracheole, the fluid, the body cells is bathed in a fluid. So definitely it's not dry. Okay, so 11 answer should be this one. C is thin to allow diffusion of gases. Okay, number 12 from chapter 9. So cell X here is to secrete pepsinogen, guys. Cell X here is to secrete pepsinogen, which can be converted to pepsin. So 12A. And then number 13 is from chapter 10. Which of the following is able to be donated to O? So O can only receive from O. Very easy question. 13, donkey. 14 still bab 10. Identify this particular organism. The moment you see double blood circulatory system and you see this word, pulmocutaneous, this would be donkey because for us it's pulmonary, theirs is pulmocutaneous. So 14 answer is donkey. Because why? Human and amphibians both have double blood circulatory system. Okay, so for question 15 here, guys, we are still in chapter 10. We are still in chapter 10. What is the purpose of Medtronic mica? Draw one star. Now, Medtronic mica is something like a pacemaker. Pacemaker means it acts like sinoatrial node. Is to generate electrical impulses. Okay, to generate electrical impulses. Okay, 16 here, guys. This one, from bab 11, immunity. From bab 11, immunity. This one is opsonization. Because antibody will bind the pathogen together, it signals the phagocyte, telling the phagocyte, oh, hey, these are the bad bacteria. These are the bad bacteria. Please attack them. Please attack them. Okay. Normally for neutralization, you will see the word toxins. Okay, guys, 17, just to compare vaccine and anti-serum. First one is fine. Second one is opposite. Last one is okay. Answer C. Very straightforward. Okay, 17C. And now we are in bab 12. Okay, chapter 12, sensory neuron, compare it with motor neuron. Terbalik. Yeah, terbalik. Okay, last one. This one is okay. Because sensory neuron is like this. The cell body is in the middle. This one is at the end. This one is the cell body. It's at the end. Okay, please check the diagram. So number 18 answer is C. Number 19, guys, from bab 13, chapter 13. This one here is called the collecting duct. Collecting duct, normally two things happen, reabsorption and secretion. Because ultrafiltration can only occur in Bowman's capsule. Ultrafiltration can only occur in Bowman's capsule. Okay, this is the functional unit of kidney, the nephron. The nephron. So still chapter 13. Next. Oh, when this question came out, there were a lot of arguments. Because I discuss trial papers with my students. Paper 1, I discuss question by question. So answer is A. Okay, if you have done this question, answer is actually A. Okay. Answer is actually A. But got students argue. So I tried before, I sit a while, then I play my phone, then I got muscle cramp. Yeah, I think that student barely move. Barely move. I've seen students like can just sit, don't move much the whole day. Yeah. So 20 answer is A. Slip disc is very serious, by the way. Slip disc means the disc come out of its original position. It's very serious. I have to go for surgery. You sit like that a while, get slip disc. No way. So 21, guys, this is reproduction. This is reproduction topic, and P is placenta. Now, placenta function is to get rid of the urea and also drugs. Okay, 21A. 22 here, you can see officially we have entered Form 5. Okay, Form 5. Form 5. Okay. Okay, so Form 5 here, guys, Form 5 Chapter 1, I think this paper is considerably quite easy for an SBP paper. Okay, so T is primary phloem. Moving on, secondary phloem, then secondary xylem. So you should get answer donkey. 22 answer donkey. And then as for 23, compensation point is this lah, guys. Compensation point. Compensation point, the photosynthesis rate is same as the respiration rate. Okay. Oops. Then these two is all. Last one correct. So 23C. 23C. Now, 24, still chapter 2, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, this is the equation that you have to memorize nowadays. In the old syllabus, they don't need you to write water. But new syllabus, yeah, have to. Draw one star. This is quite a good question. So when this is lower, all this will be low lah. Answer is not key. No, should be low. Nothing to do with carbon dioxide. Okay, so 24A. 24A. And then 25. Mr. H used eggshell as fertilizer. All right. So which of the following is the effect? It grows better. It grows better because there are minerals in eggshell. Okay. Example, calcium. So 25 boy, and 26. Which of the following explain the condition above whereby the young plant transpiration rate decrease? Transpiration rate decrease is because there's less surface area for water absorption. Less surface area for water absorption. Now, moving on to this is chapter 5, okay, because this is a nestic response. This is seismonesty, guys, seismonesty. Now, seismonesty, the mimosa plant, oh yeah, this one, boy, it doesn't become turgid. 含羞草, last time we call it 含羞草. Okay, 27 boy, and 28. 28, which is the importance of seed to ensure its survival? So because of the wings, it is able to spread further to other places. They don't crowd around the same area. Okay, so it's good for survival. So when climate is not suitable, let's say one die, it's not all will die lah. Okay, at least it's being spread out to other places. So 28 is from chapter 6 and 29 is still from chapter 6. What will happen if it's cut X to Y? Meaning, if you cut the stigma, it means that fertilization cannot occur. Fruit cannot be produced. 29A. Because the pollen grain cannot land, guys. Pollen grain cannot land. The bunga tak boleh sampai stigma. Okay, guys, formation of embryo sac. So 3 times mitosis. So mitosis. So you should get donkey straight lah. Then these are antipodal cells. Okay, 30 donkey. 30 donkey and 31 from chapter 7. 31 is from chapter 7. Mesophyte meaning those normal land plants. Normal land plants. Answer is donkey. Okay, this is a normal tree. Fruit tree. I think fruit tree, but don't know what fruit. Okay, 32. Which of the following characteristics are similarities between fungi and plantae? Draw one star. This is quite a good question because when you move up to pre-U next time, A levels, STPM foundation, diploma, they always compare fungi and plantae. So fungi, they are not green in color, so they are not photoautotrophic, which leaves A and C out of the question. Both eukaryote means got nucleus, yep. Both are multicellular, yes. No chlorophyll, because these 2 points are the same. So 32 answer is boy. 32 answer is boy. 33 nitrogen cycle. Population Nitrosomonas is reducing. Now, when the population of Nitrosomonas is reducing, guys, this is to me, all these type of questions, they are more like English question. So, kalau ini berkurang, if this is lesser, common sense, this will be lesser, lor. Correct? So, answer is, guys, answer is A. Okay, nitrate. Nitrite. Nitrite lesser, nitrate also lesser. Okay? So 33A, then as for 34 is from chapter 9. Now, chapter 9, abiotic means non-living. Non-living, so answer is boy. Okay. This is topography. Topography, the surface, the height. Okay, 35, still chapter 9. Chapter 9, something to do with, no, sorry, this is chapter 10 already. BOD. So they asked to compare. Okay, so the lower the value, the more polluted. Lower the value, the more polluted. So guys, one look, you know, X is more polluted than the other two. So answer is boy. 35 answer is boy. And 36 is what we call capture. Recapture method. We use C1 multiply C2 over M2. First capture. No. Cannot. Oh, allele. Okay. So in P plant, so big R is for round seed, small r is for what? Should be wrinkled. Normally we use the word wrinkled. So in an experiment, 400 hetero. Hetero means this. And 3,000 produce. So when you cross, you should get this. How many? Oh, constricted. How many constricted seeds are produced? So all you have to do is constricted is this. Big R is dominant, small r constricted, 400 hetero. Hetero 是这样咯 okay? Hetero, big R, small r, self-pollinated, 3,000 seeds are produced. Okay? So, how many constricted seed? I think can just use 3,000 round seed. Oh, 3,000. Oh, okay. I missed out this word. I thought 3,000. Yeah. This is one word I didn't catch. If there are 3,000 round seeds, it means there's 1,000 constricted seed. Okay. I think, yeah, correct lah. Okay. Yeah, answer is boy. Correct, guys. Answer is boy. Okay, for 37, still chapter 11, which is inheritance. So Bunga Siti Zubaida Putih. Okay. So they cross what? White with blue, and they get like half-half. So normally half-half, it has to be both big, small, sorry. It has to be like this type of combination. Because why? When you cross, so the parent must be as such. Okay. But sometimes this type of question you have to like attempt a sufficient number, then only you can start to see the trend. Yeah, you can start to see the trend. Last time, olden days, like 1990s were much tougher inheritance. Now very straightforward. Now 38. 38 is from chapter 12. Okay, which of the following is continuous variation? Guys, continuous means something that can change the feed size because can grow much bigger and bigger. So 38 donkey, 39 is mutation, and because T is missing, this leads to sickle cell anemia. Okay, this leads to sickle cell anemia. Finally, number 40, genetically modified food. Oh, which of the following is the benefit? Should be like English question again. Something good lah. But all are good. No. Last one is bad. Lower crop yield is bad. So you know one is accepted. So question is between 2 and 3. Genetically modified food, 2 or 3 is better. Until today, we do not know exactly whether it's safe or not. Guys, I taught my students, we do not know whether it's exactly 100% safe or not. Yeah. Disclaimer, if you got do your research, if you got Google about this, some countries, sorry, quite a number of countries have banned GMF. Yeah. So 1 and 3, C. Okay. All right, guys. So this is SBP 2022 paper 1 bio. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in paper 2. All right. Thank you. Cheers.